Let me tell you something most people never hear. 1 year is enough time to completely change your financial life, but only if you're ready to do what most people won't. Because wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with clarity, discipline, and relentless execution. Look around the world. Every year, thousands of people go from broke, stuck, or invisible to wealthy, not because they're special, but because they made a decision. And today, I want you to make that decision. Story 1. From zero to $1 billion brand. Sara Blakely. Sara Blakely was selling fax machines door to door. She had no investors, no connections, and no experience. But she had an idea, and she had courage. She took $5,000 in savings, created Spanx, and worked nights perfecting her pitch. 1 year later, Oprah featured her product, and her life changed forever. What was her secret? She didn't wait for permission. She didn't wait for the right moment. She moved now. And that's your first lesson. Action today is more valuable than perfection tomorrow. Story 2. The YouTuber who became a millionaire, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast started with no money, no team, no strategy. He uploaded videos from his bedroom. For years, nobody watched. Then he made a decision. I'm going to study YouTube like a scientist. He obsessed over thumbnails, titles, retention, and content quality. Within 1 year of that decision, his channel exploded. Not because he was lucky, but because he became unreasonable with his work ethic. When you outwork everyone, you outperform everyone. Story 3. The tech intern who built $1 billion company, John Koom. John Koom grew up poor in Ukraine. He worked as a cleaner in the US to survive. At age 19, he taught himself programming. He worked hard, failed, tried again, and kept improving. Then he built WhatsApp. In less than a year, the app took off. In 2014, Facebook bought it for $19 billion. Not bad for someone who started with nothing. Skill is the modern form of wealth. Learn a skill, and money follows the truth. Wealth loves speed, but speed requires focus. You can make more money this year than in the last 10 years combined, but only if you lock in. People waste time doubting. You need to spend time doing. Here's what you need to understand. You don't get rich by doing many things. You get rich by doing one thing long enough for it to explode. Stop chasing everything. Pick a direction and sprint. 4 steps to build wealth in 12 months. 1. Choose one high-income path. Business, online content, software, trading skills, freelancing, consulting, e-commerce. Pick one, master it. 2. Learn obsessively for 30 to 60 days. Every rich person you admire is a product of self-education. Courses, YouTube, books, mentors, consume everything. 3. Build every day for 365 days, not weekly. Not when you feel inspired, every single day. Tiny progress compounds faster than you think. 4. Stay in the game long enough for opportunity to find you. You don't need 100 wins, just one big breakthrough. The one decision that changes everything you have. 2 choices right now. Go back to life as it is. Or decide, truly decide, that this is the year you change everything. Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody is coming to do the work for you. But you know what? You don't need anyone. Everything you need is already inside you. The discipline, the potential, the hunger, it's all there. Final message: 1 year from now, you could look back at this moment and say, this is when it all started. Or you could look back and say, I wish I started. The world doesn't reward intentions, it rewards action. So start today, start messy, start scared, start small, but start. Because the next 12 months can be your transformation, or just another year. The choice is yours. Get up, lock in, and go get the life you deserve.